Hello my dear students, today in set part 14 we are going to see about complement. What is complement? We are going to see about it, okay. What is the use of complement in set, okay. Now complement of a set is a set, okay, whose elements are present in universal set, universal set but not in set A, set A, already I said you, set A is the first set, okay. It is not necessary that you should take A only, you can take any, what is given in the textbook or what you want to take, you can give the name for the set, okay, any letters, but it should be capital. Here I have taken A, okay. Now how to find out the complement, okay. First we will take as A, elements of A we will take 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Now mu, it is the sign of universal set, see symbol for complement here, A complement, okay. How to find out A complement? Mu is equals to, now see this element should present in even mu also, okay. Now 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 4, 9, 10 and 11 if I am taking this, okay. Now if I want to find out A complement, how to find out A complement? A complement is equal to mu minus A, then A complement is equals to mu, what it is, 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 4, 9, 10 and 11 and minus A. What are the elements of A here? What we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, how we did in the previous video? How can we? How should we do the subtraction here? 2 is present, cut the 2. Again, 3 is present, cut the 3. 1 is present, cut the 1. 4 is present, cut the 4. Now A complement is equals to what the element remain in the mu. What are the elements remain in the mu? You should write that only. It will be the A complement. 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. 9, 10 and 11. These elements are, how to find out? This is the A complement. Okay, this is the A complement. What is complement? Once again we will see. Complement of a set is a set. Whose elements are present in universal set but not in set A. But it should not be present in set A. You see, okay. Here A I am taking A, B, C and D. Mu I am taking as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, okay. Now universal set, this is universal set, okay. Now A complement is equals to, what you will write for A complement? Mu minus A. Now A complement is equals to, what is mu here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, okay. Now what is A here? A, B, C and D. What are the common? Cut it. A, B, C, D. Now A complement is equals to what the elements remain in mu. You should write that only. E, F, G, H. Now see the definition now. Complement of a set is a set. Whose elements are present in universal set. But not in set A. That means it should not be present in first set but it should be present in universal set. See, what the element was there in A we cutted. Okay, it finished. And what the element remain in the mu except A, this cutted. E, F, G, H. A complement is E, F, G, H. What is how can we find out A complement is equals to mu minus A? What is mu? Mu is a universal set. Mu is a universal set and A is a first set. That means the set which is not universal, it is taken as first set. So I have named it as A, you can name it anything, okay. Hope everyone understood. Please like my videos, share my videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.